My name is Chirag Biswam Kumar Sachwani. Uh, Today's first disease is malaria. Uh, causes of malaria. It is caused by a microscopic parasite which is transmitted by mosquitoes when they bite. Second one is rarely the parasite can be transmitted by organ transplant and blood fusion. Spread of malaria. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasite. The parasite are spread to people through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes called malaria vectors. Mosquito-borne parasite disease. This causes high fever, severe chills, and sweating. Diarrhea, anemia is the symptoms of malaria. Treatment of malaria. Anti-malaria drugs to treat malarial infection: chloroquine, uh, quinine sulfate, hydroxychloroquine, mefloquine, atoquine, proguanil. Prevention of malaria. Only way to prevent infection is to prevent mosquito bites. Use insecticides. Applying insecticide can kill adult mosquito. Sleep under the net to prevent mosquito bite. Sleeping nets treated with insecticide are recommended in areas where malaria in mosquitoes are endemic, with particular importance for pregnant women and young children who are particularly vulnerable. Cover your body. Try to minimize body exposure by wearing long pants and long sleeve shirts. Mosquitoes are more active from dusk to dawn. Care should be taken during this time. Applying creams or sprays. Mosquito repellent creams or sprays are available. These can keep the mosquitoes away. Second disease is dengue. Dengue fever. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease caused by the dengue virus. In this case, the dengue virus is transmitted by female mosquitoes, Aedes aegypti. These dengue mosquitoes generally bite during the daytime and are found everywhere, both inside and outside. These mosquitoes are found to be at the peak of their activeness at dawn and dusk. These symptoms can develop only after 6 to 10 days after bitten by an infected mosquito. Here is the signs and symptoms of dengue. Dengue is an unexpected attack, a sudden start, and these symptoms could be an indicator of its onset. Loss of appetite, diarrhea and vomiting, gum and nose bleeding, pain behind the eyes, coupled with extreme headaches. The patient might feel weak with high fever for 3 to 7 days. These are the signs and symptoms of dengue. Here is the image. You can see here high fever, muscle joint pain, vomiting, skin rashes, pain behind eyes, headache, bleeding from mouth and nose. Uh, Treatment of dengue fever. Till today, there is no definite treatment or specific medicine to treat dengue infection. In general, the doctor may generally recommend regulating the pain and fever by using paracetamol instead of aspirin, as it might stimulate bleeding and increasing fluid ingestion. Children below the age of 12 should not be given aspirin until the and unless specially prescribed by the doctor. In severe cases, blood transfusion, intravenous fluid supplementation, and 24 hours hospitalization are required. Here is an image for treatment of dengue fever. Drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration. Take bed rest. Azithromycin can relieve pain and reduce pain. Until now, no vaccine has been developed to prevent dengue virus. The only prevention is to provide mosquito bites. Cover your skin by wearing long pants and long sleeve shirt. Use of mosquito repellents. Keep all the doctors and windows closed, especially at dawn, dusk, and early evening to avoid the entry of dengue mosquito. Keep your surrounding clean by removing all the waste and clean the discuss disease. Third disease is tuberculosis. What is tuberculosis? TB. Tuberculosis is a dangerous and highly contagious bacterial disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It primarily affects the lungs, but if left untreated, it might spread to different parts of the body. There are two types of tuberculosis: pulmonary tuberculosis, extra pulmonary tuberculosis. Here is the symptoms of tuberculosis. Uh, TB, tuberculosis or Mycobacterium tuberculosis multiply once it get into the lungs. It can cause severe symptoms such as coughing of blood and mucus from deep inside the lung, a bad cough that lasts 3 weeks or longer, weakness or fatigue, sweating at night, pain in the chest, weight loss, no appetite, chills and fever. Cause of tuberculosis: infant and senile individuals are at a higher risk of catching tuberculosis infection. Individuals with a weak immune system are at increased risk. Metabolic disease such as diabetes can also increase the risk of contracting TB. Tuberculosis is a contagious airborne disease which can be acquired from close contact with an infected person. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is one of the leading causes of the dreadful infectious disease. It is a pathogenic bacterial species and mainly compromise four other types of TB causing bacteria: Mycobacterium bovis, Mycobacterium candidate, Mycobacterium microti, Mycobacterium africanum. Treatment for tuberculosis. Drug treatment is one of the most efficient way to treat the infectious disease for patients with latent TB infection. Doctors generally prescribe an antibiotic called isoniazid for preventing the latent infection from becoming active. Active TB disease will be deadly if left untreated. The procedure involved is taking a combination of ethambutol, INH-15 and pyrazinamide for a term of 3 months, followed by a mix of INH-pyrazinamide for 12 months. Fourth disease is chlorella. Chlorella is a bacterial disease caused by the bacterium Vibrio chlori. The type of bacteria is usually present in the contaminated food. It is also found in places where there is lack of sanitation facilities. This disease was first discovered in the US during the 1800 century. Cholera disease has been causing severe issue to people of hundred of years. If this is left untreated, it might cause severe diarrhea and would lead to dehydration in the body. Sometimes would lead to fatal condition. Causative organism Vibrio cholerae is the causative agent of the disease. It is a curved and coma-shaped gram-negative bacterium. It is present in coastal saltwater areas and in the seaweed. They attach themselves to the cells of shellfish, crabs, etc. Drinking of contaminated water leads to various diseases, including chlorella. It is causes of chlorella. It is caused due to factor like contaminated water supply. It is arise due to consumption of contaminated food and drink which are sold by the street seller. The vegetable that are grown with the use of water with human waste. Causes of chlorella. Here are some picture. You can see a contaminated water. Symptoms of cholera: high fever, weight loss, increase in thirst, feeling of nausea, vomiting sensation. Symptoms of cholera: vomiting, low blood pressure, diarrhea, rapid weight loss, increased thirst, loss of skin elasticity. Treatment of cholera: treatment for cholera including of lost fluid, electrolytes. Second point is drinking plenty of ORS, oral rehydration solution, is advised to prevent dehydration. If the condition worsens, intravenous fluid replacement may be required. Doctor may prescribe antibiotic and zinc supplement to check diarrhea. Prevention of cholera: the most important thing that one could to have to avoid the disease is to prevent it. The cholera could be prevented by drinking water. Drink water is boiled. Avoid consumption of raw food. Avoid dairy food. Wash fruit and vegetable before you eat. Washing your hand before you eat is a good way to keep the disease away. Drinking plenty of water, and it is recommended to drink about 8 ounces of water every day. Fifth disease is typhoid. What is typhoid? Typhoid is an infectious bacterial disease that mainly spread through contaminated food or water. It can also spread due to poor hygienic condition. The major symptoms of this disease are characterized by high fever, loss of appetite, diarrhea. Salmonella typhi is the bacterium responsible for the disease, and humans are only carrier. The first case of typhoid fever was reported in the United States in the early 1900th century. Overall, about 21 million people are infected with this disease annually, and about 2 lakh cases are fatal. Furthermore, scientists have identified two types of typhoid causing bacterium, namely ST1, ST2, cause of typhoid, also called as Salmonella enterica stereotype typhi. This is microbe is the causative agent for this disease. Is it is the gram-negative bacteria characterized by a thin cell wall and an outer membrane. These cells are reddish in color with some having black stain in the center. It is rod shaped and grows in the small intestine of the human body. Human beings are the main host of these bacteria. This type of species can survive in environment which are rich in oxygen, and also they are found in sewage, water bodies, and some eventually make their own to food. Symptoms of typhoid. Patient affected with typhoid usually display the following symptoms: uh, weakness, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, ulcer, hallucination, constipation, dehydration, high fever, skin rashes, severe headaches, and irritation. Treatment for typhoid. Sanitation is one of the most important things that can want to prevent the infection of the disease. The other way would be use the antibiotic and kill the disease causing germs. Also, by maintaining good and hygienic food habit, one can get rid of easily disease. uh, Prevention of typhoid. Receiving a typhoid fever vaccination. Avoiding food that is raw or undercooked. Drinking only bottle bottled water or water that has been boiled. Thoroughly washing your hands each time before eating. Avoiding raw food and vegetable that can be peeled. Uh, Here we complete the 5 dishes. Thank you.